Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 7th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 0 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one, the 3 stars Sudoku number 7578. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26, 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 more. So actually it's a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so let's get started. All right, let me see which number I'm gonna pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 3. We have 7 and 3 in the first column, so no 7 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. The 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 and 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this row. No 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. Okay. And now, let me see. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well. The 7 here. Need 8 here. Yeah, 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7. Yeah, 7 there. Then. Yeah. The 1 in this row, the 1 in last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. There we have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have 6 and 9 in this column. So no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and the 4. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. 3. 3. Need a 3 here. Well. Need an 8 here. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 3, 3. Need 8 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers and 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in last column. No 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then 8, 6, 1, 7. Need also a 9 here. Alright. 1, 1. Need a 6. Yeah. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So the first row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, now I can place the 1 there. And here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. No, need a 1 here also. Well, need a 1 here. Hey, give me 1, give me 1, give me 1, give me 1, give me 1. Here should be the 1. Here should be the 1. Okay. Now, need 6 here. 6. Come on, come on. I need pairs. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 7, 6. 8, 9, 7, 6. Okay. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 4 here. Thinking. Come on, this is taking too long. 4, 4, need a 4 there. Yeah. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. And one of the missing number in the third row is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 here. You have 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 in the third row could be here, could be there. 4, 4, 4. 4. Need a 2, need a 3. Well, 3 cannot be here. We have 3 here. 3 should be here. 3, 2, 4. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is a number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column should be here. So I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Need a 4 here. Alright. Well, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in this column, no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 or a 4, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 2 goes there, 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Then 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Well. Let me think. We have an 8 here. We have an 8 there. That means in this row, then 8 should be one of these 2 boxes. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this column. No 8 there. Only place left for 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Wow. Yeah. 2 and the 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be in, and 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing, 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. So, 2 missing numbers in this row. Middle row for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. The 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, only place left for the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finishes 16 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Definitely a 2 stars, not the 3 stars. Otherwise, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So it's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.